Hello Facebook. Hi everybody, Jamie here. It is cocktail time with Jamie, and I'm going to be making a grapefruit martini today. I love grapefruit, and we have grapefruit liqueur, we have fresh grapefruit juice, lime juice, bitters, citrus bitters, vodka, and we're going to make this awesome, delicious martini today. And let's see, so we are coming into July 4th weekend, and it is going to be a busy weekend here at Aroma Thyme, a busy weekend in Ellenville. I am sure there's lots going on, lots of events, lots of things. Let's see, thanks everybody for joining me. Hello Barbara, hello Ralph. Hi everybody, thank you very much. I appreciate you supporting us. We do not have a buy one get one free takeout special this week, but we are offering our whole menu to go, but we don't have any specials this week. It is July 4th weekend, it is busy, and we are open on July 4th. We're open our regular hours, 4 o'clock. We'll try to get our staff out of here a little bit earlier. So if you are coming in, please make your reservations and come in on the earlier side. We will not be taking reservations after 7 o'clock on July 4th. We are open all weekend. We open today at 5. We have jazz in the garden tonight. It will be outside in the garden. Tomorrow we open at 5. On Friday, Saturday, and Sunday we open at 3, and Monday we open at 5. So come on in, enjoy our delicious food. Most likely, as long as it is nice out, we will be serving in our garden all weekend. So thank you everybody for joining me. Thank you for watching. Marcus and I appreciate it. Sorry, we have been super busy lately. We've been trying to get on. We have been trying our hardest. So if you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. I appreciate everybody. We appreciate your support. And here I go. We're going to be making a grapefruit martini. So I'm going to start with LIV vodka, which is from Long Island. I'm going to add 2 ounces. I am going to add 1 ounce of grapefruit liqueur. I am going to add a couple of drops of lime juice. Couple of shakes of citrus bitters, and I'm going to top it off with some fresh grapefruit juice, Natalie's fresh grapefruit juice, and I'm going to shake that on up. Thanks everybody. Hello Linda, hello Terry, Ralph. I appreciate everybody on. So I'll just give a quick update. Marcus and I are planning a trip to Mexico in October, so if anybody wants to travel to Mexico with us, we will be going to Mexico in October. We'll be doing the Finger Lakes in November. We are planning, fingers crossed, to go back to Italy in November of 2023. So if you want to travel with us, let us know. Services where we come pick you up, drive your car, drive you around the Hudson Valley to wineries, breweries, make sure you are safe and you're not drinking and driving. And if you're interested in that, wineryvacations.com. And you can check it out. Courtney will do the bookings for that, and that is a great option. You want to be safe, you want to get around the Hudson Valley safe, but you want to go to your favorite winery, brewery, distillery, and you want to drink, and everybody in the car wants to drink, then we will pick you up, drive your car. We send licensed drivers to you, licensed and insured drivers to you, and they drive you around for the day and drop you back off safely in your car. So let's see. Oh, I need to find, what am I going to put on here? A grapefruit. I will put a little grapefruit on top. Look how pretty that is. Yum, yum. Let's go ahead and taste it. Nice and refreshing. Grapefruit martini. So everybody, hope to see everybody soon. I will hopefully be on tomorrow for my Facebook Live. It is Friday. Tomorrow is the beginning of July, so cheers to that. We are in July already, and we will catch everybody soon here at Aroma Thyme or back here on a Facebook Live. Have a wonderful day, have a wonderful night, and I'll catch you all soon. If I don't see you, have a wonderful and happy 4th of July.